Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LT Missy here, coming at you with another FX Master Gold video. And in this video, I want to go just repeat some of the information that everyone should know by now. That we've been promoting this thing for a better part of almost 2 months, and a lot of people are still not paying attention to information, refusing to read, and doing things wrong, and just like and then wants to get upset that they're not getting the right support from absolute market support, which is not their responsibility if you're doing things wrong on your end. And also, I want to go over what was the weekly result for this past week. And so before I do so, let's say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not advise when to invest or spend their money. All I do is show opportunities that I believe that would be beneficial to anyone around the world. So with that said, let's get into this video. So a lot of you ask many questions, right? And rightfully so, I understand. But a lot of the questions that you're asking about is easily found right here on the website, FS Master Gold. If you go to fsmastergold.com and you read over the information, because you ask me questions like, "Oh, is this copy trading? What's the the split and everything like that?" Just like all the information on the FS Master Gold website. I read over it. Many of us have read over it, so everyone can read over the information so you can get it. See, if you're able to read it yourself, you're going to be able to maintain it or retain it more so than someone just telling you the information. Because if you don't want to read this information on your own, it's probably you're not reading the information I'm sharing with you correctly neither. All right. So just take the time out. Come over here to the website. Read over everything. It's not that much to really read over. It's really simple to read over, straightforward. And then the most important thing, when you come down here, literally, it gives you the step-by-step process on how to create your account and get linked up to FX Master Gold. And so some of you are not following the step-by-step instructions, and you're trying to rush through things, and you're doing everything wrong, and then you get mad because you haven't started trading yet. If you take your time, read over the information, do everything correctly, step by step, you're going to set up trading correctly. Now, if you coming to me saying that, "Oh, it's something that absolute markets is not doing right," no, I've literally helped people in Iraq with poor internet get started with this opportunity, no issues. So if I can help someone with poor internet in Iraq get linked up to this FS Master Gold trading account, and you're in what is considered a first world country like the USA or Canada, and you can't get linked up correctly, then it's something that you're doing wrong. All right. So take your time, go over the information. Make sure you're doing everything correct the first time so you don't have any issues going forward. All right. So now, with that said, let's go ahead and get to the results. So they just shared them. Here is the FX Master Gold account. So they did 324 pips last week. And you can see they had 3 losing trades out of the 19. So 16 winning trades, 84% win rate. Had a total profit reach of 10.66%. Now, they calculate the actual the total profit before the trading fees are taken out, because when you look at each trade, there's a trading fee that's taken out because it's the trade on MT4. So since MT4 is taking a trading fee for them, for them using MT4, they they don't calculate that end with the actual return. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to my this is my account first. So I'm gonna show you my account first, what's going on here. Then I'm gonna switch over to my mother-in-law's account so that we can see the actual true return that we was able to do. Hopefully it's still there. All right, for the past week. But anyways, you can see that I'm at 67.01% gain. Absolute gain is 52.24%. So of course, take out their profit split 20% every week, which they took it out already today. Everyone should have their profit split already taken out of their accounts. That's if you've been in for at least a week. I noticed that when you in for your first week, they don't take anything out. That's what I've been noticing. But every week after that, they take out the profit split every Saturday. All right. So my daily has been averaging like around 1.32%. Not bad at all. And then monthly is doing like 49.18%. And so the drawdown is actually less than 1%. That is outstanding. This is where my current balance is at 1729.51. It says that my equity, which is the equity bonus that we applied for if you chose to do so, is 1955.48 in total. So you include the equity bonus on top of my balance. And so now this is right here showing what my highest was, and this was before they took out their profit split and everything like that. Of course, but that's all good. Now this is my total profit, since December the 13th. $727.60. Very good profit return. And so you keep coming down and you're able to see that, of course, my number is going to be a whole lot lower than what they're showing. It's because my FX book is also including the equity protector, the equity bonus, and which it shouldn't be doing. It should be calculating everything off the balance and not the equity, because the equity you cannot withdraw it. That's just something to protect your account, just in case you get into a big losing trade, and the equity protector would kick in, the equity bonus would kick in to try to help you save your account from having a complete loss. Okay, and so that's how that works. But anyways, my number is going to be a whole lot less than what they're showing because of the equity bonus. So I'm at 84% win rate in my account, 16% losing rate. That's very good as well. You come right to the summary. You can see how many trades I've done for longs, and this is how many short trades they've done in my account, and it's the total amount of trades. So you can see the win rate for each of those and everything like that. And of course, that's trading history. But come down here to hourly, and you can see where the most productive at, which is pretty much at like 10 a.m. or something like that. I think that'd be Forex time. I could be because I know a lot of times I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. They already finished trading. So this, I think I'm assuming this right here is gonna be Forex time. And then you go to daily. The most productive day is on Wednesday so far for me. And so the risk of ruin, you can see all that information as well. And you can see that they get in and out of trades really quick. So they're literally scalping. There was only like a few trades that would last a long time. This was showing 49 minutes, and I think this is showing for this month, January. Last month I had one trade open up for almost 3 hours. I think it was, but they closed out in profit still. Okay, so now we continue on, and we'll go down to the history. You can see the whole history here of what's going on in my account. Okay, so when you go to the description of the video, you'll be able to find the link to my Facebook. You'll be able to see my account, the whole history for yourself. And so you can see where we at so far for the month. Like I said, it's less than what it actually is, but nonetheless, that's still good. 30.82%. That's very good. Last year, when I got in December, it did 27.67% for me. But from what I've seen from other people that was in for the whole month of December, did well over 50% for the month of December. That is outstanding. So what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my mother-in-law's account now, so that you can see that the numbers are quite different. So it's showing here. Remember, my account was showing over 30%. Hers is showing 35.56%. And so she's been trading since January the 3rd. And so this right here is actually higher than what my account is showing, because I did not add in the equity bonus in her account. Because for that reason, I want to see how the difference between my account stats compared to her account. And so I've been absolutely correct about what my prediction has been about them, my book, including the equity bonus in, instead of doing it off your balance. All right. So her drawdown is over 1.08%. Mine is less than 1%. It's just because I've been in longer and I was able to experience more success than her account has been so far. But nonetheless, her account is doing very good. And so come down here, you can see the same thing that's going on with her account. So you go to the trade history, but I can't. Her link is not shareable because I do not have her account verified completely. I got my account verified completely, 2 green check marks, so I can share the link with other people. But anyways, though, that pretty much wraps up what I want to talk about in this edition of FX Master Gold. Come back here to the website. I'm stressing this. Please read over the website. Everything that you want to know about FX Master Gold is right here on the website. How to link, which account to use, the starting balances and everything. They got all that right here. They even got the email to technical support for Absolute Markets, and they give you the sentence that what you need to send to Absolute Markets to link your account. Don't just copy the sentence then and put it in there and then send it off without putting your account number in. Somebody did that in my team. And so they was messaging me upset because Absolute Markets wasn't really cooperate with them when it was really their fault, because they did not put their account number right here. They just sent this in, and without looking at the sentence and reading what the sentence was saying, and just sent it in, and then was expecting the trade, and then now got everything hooked up, and they're gonna start trading on Monday morning. So I was able to help find an issue, because I'm like, look, it's something that you did wrong. And 9 times out of 10, if you're not linked up correctly here, it's something that you did wrong. All right. So take your time, read over the information, do everything step by step. And so that's all I have to say. If you like what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to share this video with other people. If you're interested in joining FS Master Go, I have my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. If you heard of FS Master Go from someone else, please get back to that person. Use their referral link, create your account, start generating passive income, show us how to do the same thing. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in the next video. Take care, everyone.